Enough onion, or do you want more?
Say hello to... Can you see?
Yeah. Hello, public.
Yes, today TP and I are going to be making chicken pie. Here's my sous chef, and he is at the moment chopping up the bits of chicken from yesterday's roast chicken dinner. And I'm going to be making pastry, then we're going to be putting the whole lot together in one gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous conglomeration of tastiness. And here I've mixed the flour, a plain flour with a little bit of butter. Well, quite a substantial amount of butter. Look at the yellowness of it. That's a substantial amount. And a little pinch of salt. And now I'm going to add some very cold water to this and make it up to a nice gungy, big bally thing. I'm now going to wrap the pastry, now that it's been combined with water, into some cling film, or cover the dish with some cling film and just put it in the fridge for a few minutes just to consolidate a little bit. In the meantime, my sous chef is grating some Parmesan cheese for me. Can you hear the noise in the background? Watch your fingers on that grater, TP. Well, the pie is now in the oven and my sous chef has sadly disappeared, so now I'm going to have to clean up the kitchen and sit back and wait. Here's the finished pie, but you see there's a little bit missing from there. TP just couldn't wait. Couldn't wait for me to do my arty-farty bit. He had to go and steal a bit of the pie. Who ate all the pies?